We will develop a logic to calculate square root value of a given number, square root value. So how to write this algorithm? So this is our target. Algorithm to find square root value for a given number. So here step number 1 is start. We know first whatever the input we have to give to the computer, that input must be given. So let us input one number for which you want to calculate a square root value. That number I am inputting. So input num means you are providing a number from the keyboard that is stored into this num variable. So input is given. For this number you are required to calculate square root value. Now that I am storing into result variable. So result is equal to, you have to calculate square root value. In most of the languages you are having a sqrt function to calculate square root. Sqrt function is there. So I am just writing sqrt of num, that means square root of num. So square root of this num I am calculating, that result I am storing into this left side variable result. So that is what is happening. The result is available in result. Let me display this result. So print or display the result. That means result is nothing but square root of that given number. Then stop. So this is your algorithm, very easy to calculate square root value. The next step is how to convert this algorithm into a Python program. Let me write the Python program by converting this algorithm into Python program. I am opening a Python guy IDLE and I opened another separate window. So here I can type my program to find square root value of given number. This is my comment line. Comments are useful to write the description about the features of a program. When you want to write a description about certain things in the program, you need comment. So hash symbol represents that you are writing a comment. And please remember, this comment is not executed. This comment is for our understanding purpose only. After writing the comment, what? So the first step start is ignored in the program. The second step input num. That means we have to give, as input you have to give a number. So for this purpose I can write num is equal to, num is a variable, is equal to input of enter a number. I can ask the user like this. Now what this input function does, this input function will display this prompt message to the user, enter a number. Upon seeing this number, user may type a number like 10, 15, 20, some number. But this input function will accept that number as a string. The problem with input function is it will accept everything as a string. String means group of characters. So I am supposed to convert those characters into numeric value, that means into a number. So now I want to convert into float. Float means what? Float function I am using extra in addition like this. Now whatever input is taking, that string will be converted into floating point number by this float function, and that floating point number is stored into num variable. Floating point number is a number with decimal point. Int is a number. Int is a number. That means integer is a number without decimal point. Float number is a number with decimal point. Here you can enter a number with decimal point. No problem. So that is stored into num variable. Next, I want to now implement step number 3 into my program. Result is equal to sqrt of num. That means square root of num I want. So I can implement something like this. Result is a variable is equal to sqrt of this num. So sqrt is a function that will calculate square root value for this num, and it will store that into this result variable. But sqrt function, where it is, this sqrt function is a part of Python libraries. That means sqrt function already Python people have developed and they have given that function to us. What we have to do is we have to use that function. So I am using this. Fine. But how to use sqrt function? Sqrt function they have written in a program, in a separate program. That program name is math. So the program name is math.py. In that program, they have written sqrt function. So what I am supposed to do is that math.py program I am supposed to import. Before I use this sqrt function, I have to import math.py program. So for that purpose, I have to write import math. So this math program contains this sqrt function. Now I can use this sqrt function. So how can I call this sqrt function from this math program? So for this purpose you are supposed to write the program name before this function name. So I can write math.sqrt. That means in the math program I am having sqrt function. This dot represents a membership. That means sqrt is a member of math program. That is the meaning of that. This math program is also known as a module in Python. Module. So what is a module? A module is a program that contains some functions or maybe some classes or anything like variables, constants, anything may be there in that program. So that Python program is called module. Modules can be imported like this, and whatever is written in the module like sqrt function or other functions or classes I can use in my program. So please observe here, import math means I am importing a math module or math program that was already created by Python people. And in that math module, the sqrt function I want to call, I have to write math.sqrt and pass this number, this num value to this sqrt function. It will calculate square root of this number and stores the result into this result variable. Then I have to display. The next step is to display the result. I can write square root value is equal to comma result. So this is a way you can display the result. That's it. Our program is completed. File, save. So I am saving this program with a name like sq. Sq means for square root, or I can write sroot, something like that. So sroot, and it is saved as a Python file, and I am saving it in E drive. So click on this E. In E drive I am saving this program as sroot .py. It will add .py at the end of my file name sroot.py. It will save it like that, and click on the save button. My program is saved. Now run module. which will ask me enter a number. I am typing a number 256. It is giving me square root value is equal to 16.0. So this is a way you can calculate square root value of given number.